is the story of Simon the Sloth. Simon has a problem. Every time he yawns, he accidentally bends space-time. One minute, he's hanging out with dinosaurs on a planet, and the next he's in a future where everything is shaped like socks. He's tried everything to stay awake, but nothing works. He even tried drinking an anti-sleep milkshake, but it was no use. His yawns were too powerful. They echoed for 3 centuries. One time a calendar that was traveling through time begged him to stop because every time Simon yawned, it messed up the space-time continuum. But Simon couldn't control his yawning. It just kept happening. So Simon became the universe's most powerful napper. The end.